David Skillbyte here, and the hood of my truck doesn't want to open, it doesn't want to unlatch, and when I go to close it, it hits hard and doesn't really want to go down into the latch. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. So the issue that you're probably running into is that the hood latch is just rusty. It needs some lube. Now you could spray it with some WD-40, that'll help temporarily. But what you really want is something like white lithium grease, because this will stay on it. It's thicker, it'll stay on it, and will last longer. And you just want to get a little and I'm gonna just touch it tiny bit there. Get a little on the side, so you want to move it and see where things are touching, where metal to metal is touching, and try to get some grease down in there. All right, that's moving a lot better. See if it'll shut. Boy, that thing is hot. Real hot. All right, let's see if it'll open easier. Popped right up. And close. This thing is, I know what else I need to grease. Those hinges. Those things, it doesn't want to close. It's so, they're so rusty. So we're gonna spray. Try to get some anywhere where metal is touching metal. Almost forgot the top. I have to use a straw on that one. Probably, I don't know. Yeah, it does probably move. There we go. Now, oh, wow, huge difference. So we're gonna work it a few times. I can now lift it with one hand, pull it down with one hand, and it's gonna last longer than just WD-40. Hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.